you wanna not see my subscribers and everyone, fellow farmers around. If you look closely in this video, you'll see that I am right. I am standing rightly here. We have harvested the bunches just like I told us, and today I want to, there is a lot of ants here. You see all these white powders you're seeing, they are insecticide. I had to spray it so as to scare away some of them, because there were too many here and they're even still there. So my fellow farmers around the world, you see, this is how many bunches we have here. I think if you look closely in this video, you will see how many bunches we were able to harvest. Last month, April, I think, yes, we were able to harvest 31, and this particular month we were able to harvest 26. Yes, 26 bunches, I think. Just looking at it closely in this video, you will see how many bunches we harvested. And today, yesterday we did the harvesting. I still have to pack those bunches, and then I want to now pieces them. You know, understand? I want to discharge them from their bunches. So what I want to do for me is, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel and my video, and you need to do one thing for us, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. If you are just trying out, you want to go into oil palm farming, it is still a good one. Yes, because this thing you're seeing here is very lucrative. It's very, very lucrative. It's not just I used to tell people that this is not something you do when you don't know what else to do. You know, understand? Because this thing is becoming a fast-growing way of life, oil palm farming. So you can see, and I was told some time ago that that was like 2 weeks, and then 2 days ago I was also told that oil is now like 50,000 per 25 liter. It's now 50,000. So, and then I want you to tell me how many rubbers you think that this would generate for us. How many rubbers these 26 bunches would generate for us. If you know it, hit it in the comment section. But if you don't know, no wahala. I will still, that will be a topic for another day. You don't understand? So if you have watched this video to this extent, that simply means you are enjoying my content. What you have to do for me is to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay positive, stay productive, and start farming. Stop playing. Bye.